right, maybe we're quick timing this. All right. If you understand basketball, I think you're going to understand this. If you understand basketball, I think you're going to understand this. You are a better basketball player if you know how to dribble the basketball. You are a better basketball if you know how to dribble the basketball. And sometimes the basketball coach has a lot of practice time where you're not like playing a game, you're just practicing dribbling. Anyone knows basketball has done that? Okay? Maybe it's boring, but do you need it? Those of you that play the oboe, if you play the oboe, you have to be able to play the note of a C sharp. Do I have any oboe players here? Clarinet? Flute?
Bassoonist.
What?
Bassoon.
Bassoon. Do your fingers on a C sharp. There you go. Any other instruments here? Trombone? We don't do B flat. How do you do B flat? There we go. All right. Okay. Can you play a whole concert with just B flats? Nope. Can you play a whole concert with just C sharps?
Absolutely not.
Can you play a whole basketball game just dribbling? No. All right. Those are little parts of the big thing. Well, today I'm teaching you a part of a big thing. So as you're thinking, where am I going to use this? Think, well, he eventually will tell us the big thing. For now, it's just a little part. So here today is January 26th. It's going to be 27th for the kids on Wind Day tomorrow. And it's this following. I give you a polynomial and 4 possible factors, or none. Find the correct one. By synthetic division. Find the correct one by synthetic division. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give you a polynomial. That's one of those x squared plus 3x plus 5. That's one of those things. I'm giving you one of those things. I'm going to give you 4 possibilities that are going to be a factor. You're going to find which ones they are. Very cool. This is a part of the whole. This is a part of the whole thing we're learning. All right, this is all we're doing today, even though it's a long day. All right. So, the following thing. I'm going to give you this one. Its name, does that show up? That does not show up well on the screen. Its name is f of x. That's its name. It's f of x. And the rest of its name is, I think it's x cubed. Let me see when I get up front. It's x cubed plus 11x squared plus 32x plus 10. And I'm going to quickly make sure I'm giving you a problem that's going to work for us. X cubed squared. Excellent, it's going to work. And I'm going to tell you the following things. Either x minus 3, x minus 4, x plus 5, or x plus 6, or being mean, or none of them, is a factor of this. So now here is what you have to do. You have to guess. Do you think he put it third, or do you think he put it first or second, the one that really works? And here's how we do it. I'm going to go in order. So I'm going to write the solution. That was not us. And now we are going back to synthetic division, something we learned a while ago. And let me remind you, we put a little corner. I'm going to do from the top on down. I put the opposite of minus 3. I put a positive 3 in here. I put a 1, 11, 32, and 10. When I get to 3, you say, I remember that. 1, 2, 3.
I remember that.
Excellent. And in fact, do you remember synthetic division being nicer than the long division? It was nicer. To remind you, draw a line. Drop it. Times it. Add it. And now does it get redundant? Times it, add it, times it, add it, times it, add it. Is that coming back into our minds? Times it, 42. Add it, 74. Times it, 222. Add it, 232. Here is the key to success. If you guessed right, if x minus 3 is the correct guess, this will be a 0. Was x minus 3 the correct guess? No. I am going to do the only fair way to pick someone. Dip, 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 my little ship sails on the ocean. You are it. AJ, we're going to try one of these 3 next. You decide, did he put it second, third, or fourth? Which one do you want to try?
X plus 6.
X plus 6. The next one we're going to try is going to be x plus 6. Everybody, in the little corner, I don't put a plus 6, I put a negative 6. I bet 1, 11, 32, and 10. This gets redundant over and over again. Cool. Drop it. And now comes the redundant. Times it. Add it. Times it. Add it. Times it. Add it. Repeating, we are hoping the last number comes out to be 0. Yay! Oh, wait, it's not. AJ, it was a great guess, but wrong. Dip, 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 my little ship sails on the ocean. You are it. Lexi, would you like to try x minus 4 or x plus 5 next? X minus 4. Wait, why did I put a plus 4 there? Because I did it correctly. Ah, we do the opposite. Kyle, are you hoping that we have 4, 10, or 100 problems like this for today's work? 2, okay, very good. Lonray, we're up here. Right here, this is exciting, isn't it? Drop it. Times it. Add it. Now we get redundant. Times it. Add it. This is not looking good. 3, 6. As soon as we get the one that says 0, we don't have to try the other ones. Ooh, so being a good guesser helps. Dip, 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 my little ship sails on the ocean. You are it. Shania, which of the remaining ones would you like to try? Oops, I crossed out the wrong one. We still have x plus 5. Which one would you like to try? X plus 5. Do you know on the homework I made one where none of them work? I really hope on this example I made one that did work. 111. Drop it. Times it. And now it just becomes redundant. Add it. Times it. Add it. Times it. Oh, heck yeah. Yay. Had you guessed this one first, you would have been done right when you got it. Here is how you write your answer. You write it as the following. Please write f of x equals, was x plus 5 the correct one? Please write x plus 5. Please remember if the problem started x to the third, this is x to the I shouldn't have circled it. We try to factor this. We try to factor it. Is there something that multiplies to be 2, adds to be 6? Not that I can think of. Ha! I think we're done. So, hi.